Hi, today I've actually got a photo shoot going on in my studio, and I wasn't planning on doing a tutorial, but I'm doing two looks on the model. I've already done a natural kind of no makeup look, and I'm about to do her makeup more glam with red lips and lashes and liner. So I just thought maybe I'll just bring her in here and actually do this second look on camera. The model is Betty, who is the model, singer and rapper. I've done already a video with her, so I'm going to link to that because I'm going to bring her in here now. She's already got foundation on, she's already got concealer, eyebrows, and I think a bit of mascara. So you're not going to see the beginning of the makeup, but you guys have already seen that with the previous tutorial that I did on her. So I'm going to bring her in here now and just crack on with the next look. The eye look's actually going to be quite simple but with maximum effect. So I'm starting with this golden highlighter, applying directly to the centre of the lid and then really blending it well all across Betty's eyelid. Now I'm going to line the eyes using a black liquid liner. I'm working this right down to the roots of the lashes, and then I'm going to build it to a semi-fine line all along the lash line. And then at the outer edge I'm just extending it to a fine wing. Now I'm using a black gel liner with a very fine brush, and I'm actually just going to dab this on top all along. I just want to create a little more of a softer, slightly smokier edge and to thicken. So I'm just joining the edge of the wing to the lower lash line and then finally drawing all along the lower lash line and then blending that edge out with a Q-tip. I'm going to curl eyelashes now and apply a very light application of mascara. Next I'm going to apply these false eyelashes. They're 3/4, so it means they don't go all the way to the inner corner. A little bit longer than a corner set, but it's just going to add some featheriness, some drama, but without becoming too heavy. And I just love these lashes. I've been admiring them for ages and just haven't had an opportunity to use them, so I'm really excited to see how they look. I'm using a black lash glue, and I'm just going to position them. It's really important to get the band right down to the roots of the lashes so they really blend with the natural lashes. So it's definitely worth spending a little bit of time just positioning and getting them in the right place. It actually looks grey when it's wet, but it dries black. While those lashes are drying, I'm just going to put some smudgy black kohl along the lower waterline. Now I'm using a fluffier brush with some contouring powder just to go along that black line underneath, really smoke it out and kind of blend it. I want this really nice soft kind of cloud of smokiness under the eyes, so using a contouring powder is a really good tip for that. Because I've redone the eyes, and obviously we did do concealer for the previous look, but because we're upping the ante here, I just want to go back in with concealer and add a little bit more just to clean up under those eyes and to add a little bit more highlight and just more polish really. So I'm using quite a big brush here just to really work it into the concealing that I did earlier on in the base and just make sure that's super well blended, and setting with powder. So now I'm going to add more mascara just to really blend the natural lash with the fake lashes. So I'm going to put a light layer through the top and plenty on the lower lashes. So what can finish this look off? It has to be a red lip. I'm going to do a really impactful, full-on, beautiful red pout. I'm using a liquid lipstick, but I'm applying it with a lip brush just so I can really control the shape. Once that liquid lip has dried, I'm going to go back in with a lip pencil, just really cleaning up, tweaking, sculpting, just so that the lip looks immaculate. As a final touch, I'm applying a beautiful coral red cream blush. This, I just want to look, it just helps the skin to look so natural when you have a red lip, when you have this beautiful colour just kind of emulating from within. So I'm applying it all over the top of the foundation, then really working it in so it looks glowy and gorgeous. So that's the final look. I hope you enjoyed seeing just how easy it is to change your makeup from natural to impactful.